to my channel. So today I did a Valentine's Day look for you guys, as you know by the title. So we have a pink going on, a little bit of glitter and a little bit of smoky eyes with a pink lip and a nice golden base and a nice golden highlight. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So let's get started. I've already done my base, my foundation is done, my primer is done, I have moisturized my face, and then I have concealed and highlighted under my eyes, and I have already set it. So we are going to move right away into the eyes. For this look you just need a tape, so I'm just using a regular tape, and then I just put it on the back of my palm to get that extra glue out so that it doesn't hurt my skin when I take it off. So what you want to do is put the tape at the bottom of your lash line and working towards the end of your eyebrows. So when that is set, we want to conceal our eyes so that our eyeshadows stick to it. Everything that I'm using, I'm gonna list it at the bottom so you guys can see what I used exactly. So for today's look, I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty palette. It has all the colors that I need, from the black to the pinks they have. We are going to take a fluffy brush, and then we are just going to tap into this shade over here, and then I just want to set my whole eyes with it. There. I'm gonna set my whole eye. I'm gonna go in with the black shadow called Black Truffle and just line the edges. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect, just trust the process. To get really into that liner at the bottom, like along my lash line, I'm taking like a small liner brush like that. So I'm just gonna go closer to my lash line. Now I'm gonna go back to the same brush that I used before, and I'm just gonna go into this shade called Bossy right over here, this one, and then I'm just gonna buff out that black shadow. Now we're gonna go into a little bit of a bigger fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade called Flamingo, and then blend it out. Now I'm gonna go back into the color Bossy and just deepen that shade a little bit. Now I'm gonna go into the color Shy and then just buff it out. Now I really want that pink to show, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back into Flamingo, and then so if you need to deepen the color, just go back into the black, go back into the maroon and the pink, and then blend it out. So that's what I'm gonna do and try to like get the color that I want. Then I'm gonna go into the color Moonlight. It's like a little golden shiny color like this, and then use that as my inner corner highlight. I'm gonna use the same color Moonlight that I use for my inner highlight. I'm gonna just highlight my brow bone. And then I'm going in with a black kajal. This one is from Tresticle. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but I got this one in my BoxyCharm box. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna very close to my lash line just draw a eyeliner effect. I wanted like a little bit of glitter on my eyes. So I'm just gonna go in with this glitter from Shein that I got. It's like a beautiful, it's like a beautiful pinky glitter. So I just wanna do like my first inner thirds of my eyes. I think I like how it's came out. So we're gonna take this guy off, and then we're just gonna clean our outer corner and then do our lower lash line. So I'm gonna go back into the same black eyeliner and just underline my eyes with this. And then I'm gonna go with the pink shade that we did called Flamingo, and then just blend out my lower lash line. I'm just gonna go back into the same tip that I have and then just take out the glitter from my face. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish my second eye, put some lashes on, and then we'll be right back. I'm actually happy the way it came out with the glitter and everything. So we're gonna finish the rest of our face. So for lashes today, I did use the one from Amazon. This is such a nice pack. I believe it was $12 or maybe $15 or something, but I'm gonna leave everything down below. It comes with like 30 eyelashes, and they're the same kind, but on this side it's a little bit like not really fluffy, and like this is like a full-on lash on this side. So this is a really good value for 30 pieces of lashes. So I'm gonna list this down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. So for our bronzer today, what we're gonna do is, I really don't want like a contoured look, but a nice like a bronzy feel. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go with the one size. This is actually a face powder, but I ordered one size like a shade darker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with this shade and then just bronze my face with this. This is the shade in Dark 4. I really like how it's coming out. Like it's really nice and bronzy. I'm just gonna go in with a little smaller brush and just a little bit contour my nose. Not too much, but just a tiny bit. So I put blush today. I really want to match it with the eyes. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go with the same shade, Flamingo, the pink one, and then just do a blush with that shade. So just another tip, if you think something doesn't look blended, you always go with your powder brush that you use and then just blend everything out. I don't really contour my forehead because I have a very small forehead, so I just leave it as it is. I'm actually really loving how it's coming out. So for our lipstick today, we are going to try this one from LA Colors. I think this is a little too pink, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with another LA Colors lipstick. I'm going to list everything down below, don't worry. Just going to turn it down. And then I'm going to go with my brown liner and just complete my lip. Now that is done. I'm really liking the look. So what I'm gonna do is, since my skin is already a little bit glowy, so I'm just gonna go in with the same shade that we did our inner corners with. I'm gonna go in with that shade and just lightly with my sponge. It's a little bit damp, so I'm just gonna lightly dab it on. Last but not least, we are going to go with a setting spray. So today I'm using the one from Maybelline Beauty. It's a rose water setting spray. So this is the finished look, guys. I really like the way it came out, and once again, you don't have to use the exact same things. You can use whatever you have. Like I did, I used the same eyeshadow as my blush, so it's like a little hacks here and there you can do and recreate look. So I'm really happy the way it turned out with all the glitter and the pink and the beautiful like a golden cheeks that I have, like, and I liked how my base looked with that foundation. I'm going to list everything down below for you guys, and if you guys have any questions, you can just list them down below and I will answer them. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.